all together now, boo-hoo-hoo.
Tortoise Sue is a turtle who lost her shell on the street outside my window. I was there, I saw the gust of wind blow, leaving her naked as a bone. But the saddest thing of all together now, boo-hoo-hoo, is that she lost her carry-all, and in it she had brought a thing or two. Bullfrog Zeke, with his puffed up cheeks, said,
"My dear,
in his customary coldness,
I dare say you need a certain boldness to be seen in your birthday suit.